I felt like I could have added more onto this, but this is going to take up space. So if yours, like Macy, yours is almost like perfect the way it is. Like it doesn't need to be thicker maybe. I don't know. You could do regular paper mache if you want to do regular paper mache. Have everybody done that or kind of know what it is? Like you dip strips of paper in a glue and water, and then you just lay it on here. But I don't like the way that looks. It gives those like kind of stripes lines all over it. I like this weird texture, and you guys might hate it. And I'm gonna wear this mask. I got these just for you because we're gonna be mixing this powder up. This is sculptamold. They advertise it as it's like a cross between plaster, paper mache, and clay. So it's powder, and it says on here what to do. 2 parts sculptamold to 1 part water. So we're gonna do 2 dry to 1 wet. And it doesn't matter if you wanted to mix 2 of these and then 1 of these of water, or if you want to mix a tiny bit. But since we only have 40 minutes, as long as it's 2 scoops of dry, 1 scoop of wet, it doesn't matter the measurement. So I'm just ripping this open. So I don't know if y'all bake or anything, but you want to make sure this isn't like over, because then that's more than 1 scoop. You see the dust already. So you definitely want to wear this mask. Two, and then it doesn't matter if it's what's it called, cold or hot water, either one works. And I like to mix this with my hand because I'm going to apply it on there with my hand anyway. I guess you could use a spatula, but you can't really feel how wet or dry it is. And you can kind of squeeze it in there and like really get it mixed up good. I probably should have mixed more, but since I don't want to keep y'all for too long. Okay, here it is. It looks kind of like clay or something, or Play-Doh, but it doesn't hold its shape very good on its own. So that's why you have to put it on something. So I'm gonna just put it on here and start spreading it out. So I'm gonna start with the tip of my nose. Doesn't really matter where you start, and you can smooth it out. And it actually smooths a lot like clay, like if you just keep going like this. You can get it pretty smooth. And if you can't get it as smooth as you want it to be, then I have a second material called joint compound that you can add to it. And remember me saying it was like icing a cake, that will make it smoother. You can also sand this. You can carve it a little bit, but when it's done, it's like really hard. It becomes really, so there's my first layer of the tip of the nose. So I just need to keep mixing and keep adding it on. And I'm not gonna do the back, the flat part, because I'm imagining this as like hanging on the wall or something, or just setting up. And this is not to be really part of the sculpture, not to be looked at, so I'm not doing that part.